splash and get your pants wet. You gotta stay still.
Oh, man, what? For your life!
You're fine. You're fine. Don't cry. You're fine.
Oh my God!
You're fine. Stop it. Your biggest thing is you need to get your hands rinsed off, okay?
I hate
Ryan! Hey, put your hands in the water. It's going to be cold, but you need to get the sand off of them. Ready? Get them.
Whoa! That is like we were moving.
Don't rub your hands. Get this one in the water. Okay.
We all just tucked tail and ran. No one just got stomped all that. Between
Now
the
go like
water and
this,
the
look.
shoe.
I don't want to wear my jacket.
You have to.
It's itchy.
No, it's not. It's just wet.
It's itchy skin.
Sorry, Owen. That was crazy. Don't touch that. Don't touch that.
Let me see your sleeves. I don't care.
Feel how that hurts?
Okay, now take your hands and wipe them on my butt.
Another one.
Okay, go like that.
Now go
Is
have
that
fun.
better? We have clean clothes in the car for you.
It's like having quicksand.
He's a good sport.
Water.
Oh, it's on my shoes! And then I threw the backpack. I was all,
That's everybody's shoes. I'm not afraid of no water.
Then go in the water.
I will.
your phone's in your pocket. Your phone's in your pocket!
You liar.
Brian?
Yeah? Put my hands on.
Ready? You're gonna jump over him. Oh,
That is
See how far you guys can walk out before a wave gets to you.
You gotta wait.
Everybody,
Wait.
wait for it. Wait for it. Go, go, go.
Brian! He's just pushing
He
it.
wants to break. He's like, that was a contest to see who can break the rules, right?
No. Okay. Go back, go back, go back! Owen was leaning over to rinse his hands off and he finally got that. It felt like it was pulling me in.
Yeah, I seen Brian do it too. He was standing there and he's all.